The Dreame L50 Ultra really goes the extra mile. This thing is amazing when it comes to cleaning. It vacuums, it mops. This robot vacuum is amazing. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Dreame L50 Ultra. First thing we have in here, quick start guide, roll up for the base station, different attachments, as well as a vacuum bag, cleaning brush, and it actually telescopes. Cleaning solution, a manual, power cable. Right here we got to look at the actual vacuum. Notice that the wheels come up, drop down. Then it looks like we have the base station. It starts off by roaming around and mapping the entire area. Then after everything's mapped, it systematically cleans everything. What's really cool is it was mopping what needed to be mopped, and it knows when it's on a different surface. When it moves over to a carpeted area, it goes from mopping to vacuuming. And even on the hard surfaces, when it's done mopping, it goes through and vacuums as well. It's really nice having the dual brushes because you don't have to worry about any tangling, and it actually charges pretty fast, so you don't have to wait all day to get started. It comes with an extra dust filter and auto empties itself for up to 100 days. Really, the only maintenance required is filling up the clean water and emptying the dirty water. This thing cleans like a dream, no pun intended. I guess I can see why they call it Dreame. It really does a great job. It's very persistent with the way it cleans. It does this thing where it looks like it's not going to clean it up, but then comes the side reach, and once the side reach arm goes out, it actually cleans it up. It has a lot of other features that I didn't speak about, like a live camera and voice control. If you're on the fence about it, yo, you have to try it for yourself.